It's a new 2018 Ram 2500. If you're wondering whether your truck can handle the load, it's time for this 2500. Features include turbo i6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, HD suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.